Question number 11, there is 2x plus y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z equal to 3 by 2, 3y minus 5z equal to 9. Let's first we have to find the value of x, y, z. For finding the value of x, y, z, we have to make the matrix first. So from here we have to make the matrix, that is A matrix is equal to 2 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 x, there is no x, so it will be 0, so there is no, so it will be 0 3 minus 5, and we need the x, that is x y z, and we have the unknown, that is x equal to, not x, this is b equal to 1 3 by 2 and 9. First we have to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to 2, because I am going along the row, first row. So 2, eliminate this row and this column, it will give minus and minus became plus, so 5 2s are 10, minus and minus will become plus here, because from the formula 3 1s are 3, minus 1, eliminate this row and column, so it will be minus 5 plus 0 plus 1, eliminate this row and column, 3 minus, it will give plus, it will give 0. So we have how much? 2 equal to 2 into 13 minus 1 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3. So 13 into 2, that is 26 plus 5 plus 3, so it will give 34, does not equal to 0. Now we have to find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to A11. So eliminate this row and column. Here the sign is positive. Eliminate this row and column. So it will give minus and minus became plus. 10th, again minus and minus became, from the formula minus will become plus. 10th plus 3. So it gives 13. Now come to this position. Here this position is minus. Eliminate this row and this column. So minus is from the formula. We have 1 into minus 5 minus 5, this will give 0, so minus 5 and the minus will give plus 5. Now eliminate this row and column. So here sign is positive, 3 1s are 3, minus and minus became plus, so 2 plus 0, this is 2 into 0, so nothing to do, so this is 3. Now eliminate first row complete, come to the second row. Here the sign is negative, eliminate this row and column, negative sign is here, so it is minus 5, 1 into minus 5 is minus 5 and minus 3. From the formula minus 3, there is minus 8, from the formula minus is there, so it will give 8. Now here the sign is positive, eliminate this row and column, so it will be minus 5, 5 2s are 10, minus 10, here is 1, so it will, here is 0, 1 into 0 0, so that is minus 10. Now here is the positive sign, eliminate this row and column, so it will give 3 2s are 6, minus 0, so it will give, eliminate this row, sorry, no here, sorry, this row and this column, second row and third column, second row and third column, second row and third column, so 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, here eliminate this row and eliminate this row, this is now here third, eliminate this row and this column. Here the sign is negative, positive negative positive, negative positive negative, so minus is here, 3 2s are 6, minus 0, there is 6, from the formula minus, it will give minus 6. Now this row and this column, here sign is positive, eliminate this row and column, so it minus 1, here is the plus 2, so it will give 1. Now here is the negative sign, eliminate this row and column, minus 2 minus 1, so minus 3 and minus 3, and that 3 it will minus, we will give plus 3. Now eliminate this row and this column, sign is positive, minus 4 and this minus 1, so there is minus 5. Since we are finding the adjoint, we have to give the transpose equal to, the row will become column. So 13, 5, 3, 8 minus 10 minus 6, 1, 3 minus 5. The row will become column. Now we got the adjoint. Now we need the A inverse. So A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So adjoint of A is 1 by determinant is 1 by 34, adjoint is 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5. Now we have to find the x. X is equal to A inverse B. This is the inverse 1 by 34, 1 by 34 bracket, adjoint of A 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5, and this is the B. B we have 1, this is the B, 1, 3 by 2, 9, 1, 3 by 2 and 9. So 1, 3 by 2 and 9. We have to multiply this number. To multiply this number, there is a fraction, but it will remove it. So while multiplying, keep the 34 outside. While multiplying, keep the 31 at 1 by 34 outside and multiply the row and column. So it will give 1 by 34. Eliminate the row and column. So it will give 13 ones are 13 plus 8 by 8, 3 by 2. That is 8 into 3 by 2. So this and this will cancel. How much? 4, 3, 4 are 12. So it will give plus 12. Now this will give plus 9. Complete. Now the 5 minus, okay, minus 10 into 3 by 2. So it will give 5. So it is minus 15 plus 27. 3 ones are 3. Here minus 6. Minus 6 into 3 by 2. This and this will cancel 3. So minus 9. Minus 45. Now add all this number. So this will give 1 by 34 divided by 1 by 34 or 13 plus 12 plus 9, it will give 34. This will give how much? Minus here it will give minus 10, minus 10 it will give 17. Here minus 3, 47 plus minus 3, here will give 6. You left for the 6, so it will be minus 51. So all this number is divisible by 34. So divide it. This will be 34 by, if 34 by 34, another is 17 by 34, another is minus 51 by 34. Cancel it. So it will give 1, it will give 2, 1 by 2, because 17 2s are 34. This is both are divisible by 17, so 17 2s are, and this is 51. 17 2s are and 17 3s are. So it will be minus 3 by 2. So therefore we got the, therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 2, and z is equal to minus 3 by 2. So question number 11. Now next to question number 12. Question number 12 also same. In the given equation, question number 12, the given equation is x minus y plus z equal to x minus y plus z equal to 4. 2x minus 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 2. From here we need a matrix A. We are going to find a x, y, z. Our matrix A will be 1, coefficient of x minus 1, 1, coefficient of x, y, z. So here coefficient of x, y, z, that is 2, 1 minus 3, 1, 1, 1. So this is the x A, and x are unknown, that is x, y, z. We have the unknown x, y, z, and we have the v, that is the constant of 402. And now we need determinant of A. Determinant of A, 1 along the first row, eliminate this row and this column. So it will be 1, minus and become plus, so it will give 3. Here minus from the formula, and it is the minus, so it become plus 1. Eliminate this row and column. 2 plus, it will become 3 plus 1. Eliminate this row and column. 2 minus 1. So 3, 1 into 4 plus 1 into 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 1 into 1. So it give how much? 4 plus 5 plus 1. So 10 does not equal to 0. Let's find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. A11, that is the eliminate the first row and first. Here the sign is positive. Eliminate the first row and first column. So 1 minus and minus became plus. So 3, that is 4. Now here negative sign. Eliminate this row and column. So 2 minus, this is 2, and minus became plus. So 3, 4, 5 from the formula, that is minus 5. Now eliminate this row and column. Here is a positive. Eliminate this row and column. So it will 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now here the sign is negative. Eliminate this row and column. So minus 1, that is minus 2. With the negative sign, it will give positive. Near the positive, eliminate this row and column. Eliminate this row and column. So it will give 1. Here the positive, 1 minus 1, it gives 0. Now this position, eliminate this row and column, this row and this column. So here is the negative sign. This is the 1 and this minus, it became plus. So 1 plus 1, 2. The negative sign is there, so it will give minus 2. Now the third row, eliminate this row. Here positive, negative, positive. Eliminate this row and column. Minus and minus become plus. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Here eliminate this row and column. This here is negative sign, minus 3 and minus 2, that is minus 5. It will give 5. Now eliminate this row and column. So 1, there is a positive sign. 1 minus and minus became plus. So 2, that is 3 plus 3. Don't forget to give the transpose. Now make the row into column. Now make the row column. So 4 minus 5, 1, 2, 0, minus 2, 2, 5, 3. So all the row will become the column. Now we are going to need the A inverse. A inverse equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So determinant is 1 by 10. Adjoint is this one, 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1 minus 2, 3. This is the adjoint. Now we have to multiply with the B. We need the, what is our requirement? Our requirement is the x equal to A inverse B. A inverse is this 1 by 10. Keep the 10 outside, that is 1 by 10 outside. 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1 minus 2, 3. Will be multiplied with the B, that is 4, 0, 2. row will be multiplied with a column. So row will be multiplied with column. First row will be multiplied with first column, and first column will be multiplied with first row. Second row will be multiplied with this, and the third row will be multiplied with this. So we need a multiplication. 1 by 10 will stay outside. 4 into 4, 16. Multiply with 0 will give 0 plus 4. Come to here, minus 20, but 0 into 0 plus 10, 5 2s are 10. Now this is the 1, that is 4 plus 0 plus 6. So equal to 1 by 10, keep it outside. 16 plus 4, that is 20, minus 20, and this is 10, divide by 10. So if you divide by 10, it will give 2, that is minus 2 and 1. So we got the value of x, y, z, that is x equal to, I am writing it here, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 2, and z equal to 1. So this is the solution of this system of linear equation. Question number 13, that is also 3 unknown with 2x, 3y plus 3z equal to 5, x minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4, or 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 3. We need the matrix A. We are going to find the x, y, z. All same question. We need to find the x, y, z. So this is the matrix A matrix. From here we are going to find the A matrix. So the coefficient of x, y, z are the matrix A. So coefficient of x, that is 2, 3. This is x, y, z. So 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 3. 2, 3, 3. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1. So 1 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 1, minus 2. This is the A. We need the x. What are the unknown to be find out? That is x, y, and z. And we need a v. V is equal to 5 minus 4 and 3. This is the b. Now we need to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A, that is 2 along the first row. Eliminate this row and this column. So this will become 4, minus and minus became plus, that is the 5. Okay, let's say 4 plus 1. Minus 3, eliminate this row and this column. Minus 2, minus 3. Plus 3, eliminate this row and column. Minus 1, minus and minus become plus, 3 to the 6. 2 into 5 minus 3 into minus 3, 4, 5 plus 3 into 5. All multiply 5. So this will get 10, minus and minus become 15, minus and minus become plus, 3 5s are 15, plus 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 10, that is 40, does not equal to 0. Now we have to find the adjoint of A. So for finding the adjoint of A, that is we need the A11, A12, A13. So A11, so we are keeping the position this row and this column. So eliminating this, here positive, sign is positive, eliminate this row and column. So minus become plus, 4 plus minus will become plus, so it will be 4 plus 1, that is 5. Come to the second position, sign is negative, eliminate this row and column. This will give minus 2 and this is minus 3, but that is minus 5, and minus became plus. So this is plus 5. Next, eliminate the third row and the third column. Eliminating the third row and third column. Eliminating the first row and third column. So wait here. 5. Eliminate the first row and third column. Here is sign is positive, that is minus, here is positive, minus 1, and this is minus 1. and this is plus 6, so plus 6 minus 1, that is 5. Now come to the second row. Eliminate, here is negative, negative, positive, negative. Eliminate this row and column, so that is minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3. Minus 3 from the formula, there is minus, so it will give the plus 3. Now eliminate this row and column, this row and this column. Minus 4, then minus 4 and minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so it will give minus 13. Eliminate this row and column, so it will give how much? Minus 2. Here my sign is minus 2, and that is minus 9, that is minus 11, minus and minus became plus. So now eliminate this row and column, that is 3 plus 6, that is 9, it will give 9. Eliminate here this row and this column, there is sign is negative. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, minus 1 and minus, it will give plus 1. Eliminate this row and column, then here is a positive sign. Minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7. So now take the transpose. 5 row will become column. Transpose means the row will become column. 3 minus 13 and 11, that is 9, 1 minus 7. So we got the adjoint. Now we have to find the A inverse. So A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Determinant is 1 by 40. Determinant is 40. So now adjoint of A, that is 5, 3, 9, 5, minus 13 to 1, 5, 11 to minus 7. We need a x, that is x equal to A inverse B. A inverse is 1 by 40, determinant 1 by 40 is the determinant. Now don't take the 40 inside. You can take it, but it will require more time to solve it. You will get the same answer. You take it inside also, it doesn't matter, but it will require the time. So because we have to save the time in the exam, that is our main target. So B is, we have 5, B is 5 minus 4, 3. So that is 5 minus 4, 3. First row will multiply with the first column. 40 row will be multiplied with column. So 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, minus 3 4s are 12, plus 27. 5 5s are 25, minus and minus became plus, 13 4s are 52, plus 3 1s are 3. Now 5 5s are 25, plus, no, there is minus 44, that is minus 27. So we got the number 1 by 40 will stay outside bracket, add this 25 minus 12, 27, so it will give 40. Here if we add all this number 5 6 7 8 9 10, so it will give 80. Here let's add this and subtract it, so we will get minus 40. So all divisible by 40, so divided by 40, there is 41s, 42s and 41s, that is minus 40. So we got the value of x, y, z. Therefore x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 1.